So to answer these questions, we need to use what we know about the laws of indices. 5 to the power of negative 2. Remember, negative powers mean we take the reciprocal. So this is the same as 1 over 5 squared. So the answer is 1 over 25. The same is true when we have a fraction. We take the reciprocal. So we're going to take 1 over 2/3 to the power of 3. So the thing to remember here is that 1 over 2/3 is 3 over 2 to the power of 3. And then 3 cubed is 27, and 2 cubed is 8. So we get 27 over 8. 64 to the power of 1/3. So when we have fractions in our power, in our exponent, remember that means we take the root. So this is another way of writing the cube root of 64. The cube root of 64, what number when it cubed gives 64, is 4. When we have a fraction which is not a unit fraction, so we have 3 in the numerator and 4 in the denominator, the 4 still means we take a root. So in this case we're going to take the 4th root of 81, and then the cube means we take that to a power of 3. So the 4th root of 81 is going to be 3, so we now have 3 cubed, which is 27. Finally, putting all of these things together, something like 27 over 64 to the minus 2/3. So let's deal with these one at a time. First of all, we deal with the negative in the power. That means we take the reciprocal of 27 over 64, which is 64 over 27, to the power of 2/3. The power of 1/3, the denominator there, means we're going to take a cube root. So we've got the cube root of 64 over 27, and we're going to take all of that and we're going to square it. The cube root of 64 over 27 is the same as the cube root of 64 over the cube root of 27. So the cube root of 64 is 4, and the cube root of 27 is 3. And finally, the square of 4/3 is the square of 4 over the square of 3, giving us a final answer of 16 over 9.